More breaking update coming in, and this is with regards to Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi. Now, day after Priyanka Gandhi's claims of her children's Instagram accounts being hacked, now the IT minister has taken suo motu cognizance of the issue and in fact has written to Facebook over it. They are still awaiting a response from Facebook, but nonetheless, the centre has in fact taken note of Priyanka Gandhi's allegations that her children's Instagram accounts are being hacked. And so the IT minister has, in fact, written to Facebook about it. I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, this has become a big issue. This actually emanated from the fact that Akhilesh Yadav a few days back had made snooping charge. Now, yesterday, Priyanka Gandhi, in fact, leveled a big charge that her children's Instagram social media handles are being hacked. Now, the IT minister has, in fact, taken cognizance of this and issued and has, in fact, written to Facebook on this matter. But it is a big charge which is being leveled by some opposition leaders against the government.
Yes, it is a big charge, and perhaps that is the primarily the reason why the government has taken a suo motu cognizance. The officials of IT ministry have confirmed us that yes, the government has taken a suo motu cognizance of the allegations by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, in which she said that the alleged hacking of the Instagram handles of her children was there, and the government has taken a suo motu cognizance of this. What will be the reply from Instagram? Has the government approached Instagram or not? Right now, that is not known. We have written to Facebook, the parent company of Instagram, on this, and we are still awaiting a reply. But one thing is confirmed, that the government has taken a suo motu cognizance of the allegations by Priyanka Gandhi, and we will get to know the Facebook version once they reply. But for now, this is confirmed that the allegations leveled by Priyanka Gandhi have been noted by the government, and they have taken a suo motu cognizance of this and have written to Instagram as of now.
Right, Ayushman, we are going to track the developments which come in on the story with you. Thank you so much for joining us with that.